Hi guys, we're going to review some stuff from 6th grade and inequalities. So if you don't remember, that's what I'm here for, to remind you. So we're going to talk about graphing inequalities. And inequalities have solution sets. They don't have specific solutions because it's all the numbers that are greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. So for example, t is greater than, because remember, the mouth eats the larger number, or however you want to look at it. Some people drew Pac-Men, some people did alligators, whatever it is you did. So I have, let's say, -5, 0, 5. Okay, so t is greater than 5. That means it can't be 5, so that means I've got to have an open circle. And it's going to be all the things greater than 5. R is less than 7. And I know it's less than because it's smaller than. So let's go with -707. So I'm just kind of giving myself some points of reference. I know that it doesn't include 7 because it doesn't have a line underneath it. And I know it says it's less than 7. So again, I'm going to use an open circle. And it's all the numbers less than 7. M is greater than or equal to 3. So I have -3, 0, 3. So greater than or equal to. So that means I've got a closed dot because it could be equal to 3 or more than 3. N is less than or equal to 5. So that means I have a closed dot and it's going to be less than or equal to 5. So the closed dot tells me that it's equal, could be equal to 5 or less than 5. Let's look at some word problems. So Mrs. Scarfpin is 5'4". Mr. Johnson is taller. Graph all the possible heights Mr. Johnson could be. Well, I know that 5'4" inches. So Mr. Johnson, so we're going to go Mr. J is going to be greater than 5'4", right? So if I was graphing it, I know I have 5'4", and I know he's taller than me. So he can't be my same height because he's not my same height. He's taller than me, so it's open circle. He's greater than. So we could put like 7 foot tall over here. Okay, so he could be all those heights. So he could be anything greater than 5'4". Okay, I don't know his exact height. We should probably go ask him. But we just know that he's taller than 5'4" because I'm 5'4". Mr. Johnson's taller. We need at least 5 players for the basketball game. Graph all the possible solutions. Well, at least 5 players. That means the lowest number of players I can have at my basketball game is 5, right? So for Mr. White to get people out on that basketball court, I need 5, at least 5. I could have more than 5, but I can't have less than 5. So that means my inequality has to say greater than or equal to 5. Because I could put exactly 5 players and we could play. But they would have to run the whole game. So when I graph that solution set, I'm going to put a closed dot on 5 because I could have exactly 5 players and Mr. White would be good or greater. Last one. Let's say I have W is greater than or equal to 150. And I have to come up with a context that makes sense here. So I'm going to go with wrestling. Okay? So my weight must be 150 pounds or more to wrestle in this weight class. I could have done money. I could have done anything. But for like Mr. Holloman in this particular situation, my weight has to be greater than or equal to 150 pounds to wrestle in this weight class. All right. So if I was going to have to write out what that means, that's what I would do. If you have questions or you need help, please let me know. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.